The best way to make money on YouTube without recording videos, YouTube automation, or revealing your face is to have an offer to promote in those videos. That way, you won't actually need to be monetized by YouTube in order to make money. And you can actually make a lot more by having the right offers to promote in those videos. I'll show you where to discover those affiliate offers in this video. I'll show you someone who began a month and a half ago and is now bringing in tens of thousands of dollars each month, and demonstrate how you can get the same results. Please like this video, and so that we may begin with a thorough step-by-step breakdown. The first thing you need to do is find an offer to advertise in these videos before I explain how this works, before I tell you which niche cuisine this is, and how to really set up a channel like this for yourself. There are many affiliate marketplaces. In this video, we're going to promote offers from ClickBank Marketplace. All you have to do is visit ClickBank, a website that offers digital goods and services in a range of areas and specializations that are relevant to online business. These include a wide range of subjects, including services and training. You may join the affiliate program and then apply right here. All you need to do is click Apply, which will take you to the next page where you may input your complete name in this area, your email address, and then click Let's Go. After that, you'll get a customized affiliate link for that particular item or service that you may use right away. You may also shorten your URL using a service like tinyURL. This step is optional, however, I advise you to slightly alter them since they seem lengthy and odd. To edit the back half, just create a free tinyURL account, create a new link, and submit it here. As a result, it should appear a bit better. It's rather short in my case, as you can see. It's now time to create those faceless YouTube automated videos now that you've offered to promote those videos. Here's an illustration of a channel. 10 Times Income is the name of the channel, and it started around 5 months ago. They started publishing in December last year, as you can see, and are now in May. Additionally, they make approximately £4,800 or $5,500 per month, according to Social Blade. They have a lot higher CPM since they are in the earn money online and internet business sectors. So just from ad revenue, this guy is undoubtedly making more than $10,000 each month. Due to the high value of this audience, they may easily triple or even 5 times their revenue by pushing an offer, such as a product or service from the ClickBank, just by having an incentive to promote those videos. Check out their channel first. If we change the channel, we'll see that the owner's face is never visible in these films. They don't reveal their faces. They don't use a camera to record anything, yet they get thousands of views and undoubtedly earn tens of thousands of dollars each month. And as you can see, there aren't many videos there. They all get hundreds of thousands of views at a very high CPM, as you can see. Any of their videos may be seen again. The person won't show their face and won't show it off either. Really, all they are doing is making presentations and recording their screens. They are only outlining the process and giving advice on how to make income online. You may essentially only create videos about an issue associated with the deal you're promoting from the ClickBank. You may make videos on drop shipping, monitor your viewership, and then include your affiliate link in the description box if you're giving a drop shipping discount. The first thing you'll need to do is think of a channel name. To do this, all you have to do is go over to ChatGPT, an extremely useful and cost-free service, and ask ChatGPT for a suggestion for a channel link. He will give you 10 ideas for YouTube channel names that discuss how to earn money online. Then choose your favorite and use that name to start a channel. You may create a profile picture of yourself in a similar way. Simply go to Canva and type YouTube logo. You may experiment and use anything you want, of course, but it's not necessary for the profile picture to be of a genuine person. The image will then be saved to your computer, where you may use it as a profile photo for your YouTube channel. Your videos should be edited next, which you may do by visiting InVideo. Along with that, I'll provide a link to InVideo in the description section below, and there is a 25% discount code for the first 100 people who sign up for the premium version. In reality, it's a video editing program, one that's fully user-friendly for beginners and has tens of thousands of different templates, as well as a ton of stock footage and stock photos that can be used in those films without any copyright concerns at all. Even voiceovers are possible. Additionally, they're developing certain AI features. Therefore, it's unquestionably a great tool for managing a YouTube channel since it eliminates the need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars each month on employing costly video editors or specialized video editing skills to produce professional-looking films inside videos. Therefore, all you need to do is create an account within Video. The next thing you need to do is start writing a script for your YouTube videos before we go back to InVideo. Of course, you may write the script yourself, or you can hire someone to do it for you on Fiverr or Upwork. Alternatively, you could just look at what other channels are covering in the area you want to specialize in, and then copy those videos with a unique twist. As an alternative, you may just visit ChatGPT and request that it write paragraphs for your YouTube script. For instance, you could be required to write 200 more words in addition to the introduction for your YouTube script. Another 200 words. You will utilize this script for your YouTube videos once it is roughly 1,500 words long. Here's a sample script that I have. It covers how to make money using ChatGPT and meet people while traveling. It resembles a how-to video. So here is a script I developed as an example. A voiceover will be required when you've written your YouTube script. Additionally, you have the option of reading the script into the microphone yourself or using text-to-speech software like Murph AI, which has a very realistic voice. You can just enter the script into this area on Murph AI, and they will create the voiceover for you, giving you the opportunity to choose the voice you want. And they do in fact sound really amazing. It's just reading the text. It doesn't sound robotic or artificially intelligent. You just want to create a free account. The good news is that you can duplicate your own voice to create a voiceover that is totally original. I virtually imitated my own voice. As a result, whenever I enter anything in this box, it becomes red and seems as if Dave is reading it, which is strange. But I'll simply choose one in any case. Let's say, for illustration's sake, that I'm going to choose Nate, and I'll put my script over here. I'll merely use the first one as an example to demonstrate how this sounds. This will be copied and pasted right here, and after I click Generate, they will create a voiceover for me. As you can hear, it sounds really natural. It's difficult to discern that it's AI, which is very cool. So now I can save this voiceover to my PC to use in my faceless videos. Now that you have the voiceover, which is 1,000 times cheaper than hiring a voiceover artist or getting a microphone and reading it over and again, you can basically just paste the script and you suddenly have a voiceover that sounds great. The next thing you need is some background music, which I recommend because it will improve your movies and should increase your engagement. So you may go to Soundful, which is an AI music generator that will provide you with original music to utilize in your YouTube videos. Background music can be used in those YouTube videos. You can choose your genre, and as you can see, it is only for creators. You can stop worrying about copyright violations and start looking for unique royalty for your tracks if you only need some background music for your videos. Then, of course, you'll want to return to InVideo to edit those videos. And you can either use one of the templates they provide, such as YouTube video templates, or you can create from scratch. You can choose between making a short film and making a long-form video. You can also use their templates to make incredibly excellent professional-looking intros, and then simply upload your media. So basically, you can upload that voiceover audio file, upload stock film, or simply go to videos over here and pick stock image that's already included in video and then use it for a clip. So if I need something relating to business or making money online, I can simply type that term in and it will return various stock footage that I can simply add to the scene and utilize in my film. So for example, if I want to use these clips, I can simply choose whether I need all 21 seconds or just a few seconds, say 3 seconds. Now I can quickly add it and it will appear on the screen. Of course, you may also include text. You may also include your own logo. To upload your own logo, simply click here, and you can simply upload the logo that you previously created using you.com, and it will appear on every single scene. You can add different animations and transitions, as well as subtitles and alter colors and all sorts of other things. You can certainly experiment with this video editing tool, just make it as entertaining as possible. Don't leave the same clip on for too long, perhaps 1.5 seconds, and then move on to the next. So let's type in something. For example, let's test some of these video, and I'll just drag and drop them. So it'll be changing quickly so that we can keep the engagement in these videos high. Then you can just experiment and try to replicate what's working well in that specific niche. When you're finished editing your videos, all you have to do is export them. Then you can export it in the greatest possible quality. After that, simply click Export to upload it to your YouTube channel and leave the affiliate links in the description box with a call to action for people to actually purchase the offer you're attempting to promote. This strategy works, and you can definitely test it out in literally any topic you can think of that is relevant to internet business and making money online. We have now reached the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online and YouTube automation. See you in the next week. Peace.